Sports Studios. This is Fox News Rising.
We'll tell you about a new book called Homegrown Handmade. It's your tour guide to new local adventures.
Make your ride the envy around town. We've got some folks from MTV's Pimp My Ride stopping by with a super cool customized car. That's a little later.
And keep summer from being a bummer for your child. Toy expert Chris, how do you say his last name? Byrne?
Byrne.
Has a rundown on the season's top 20. Yeah, little stingers.
Little zingers.
There you go. I got stung on the eyeball one time.
Like the actual eyeball?
The
Or
actual
the eyelid?
eyeball, yeah. No, I'm just kidding. Later this morning, the guys from Pimp My Ride are showing off a tricked out, scooped up car.
Maybe they can help you with the Buick.
Hey, the Buick's a hot car. All right, the Buick's hot.
Except for the window that you have to pull up. Anyway, also after the break, John Wilson has more pool safety tips for you, just in time for the hazy days of summer.
What was that
Tips.
one? Oh, okay. Thank you.
Fox News Rising will be right back.
All right.
7:49 is the time. We want to check in now with our Mark Mathis. He is outside live in the parking lot. Mark, what are you doing? Something with Pimp My Ride? Are they pimping your Buick?
Pimp My Ride is here. Hey, what's your name again?
Jeff Simmons, Kia Gastonia.
All right, cool. Now, hey, Pimp My Ride's going to be here. They're going to be out at where's the guy going to be?
He's going to be at Kia Gastonia on Saturday. He's going to be at Kia Monroe on Thursday. Cabe Sipes.
All right.
Cabe Sipes.
Now, he did this car, so tell me what he did.
Cabe Sipes, first we have to say thank you to Acoustic Audio. Acoustic Audio is the one that provided all the equipment.
All right.
Cabe Sipes, of course, did the install for us.
Okay, tell us what's in the car now. Tell us what's going on.
We've got speakers in the back, we've got amps in the back, we've got extra speakers in front, 1,200 total watts, and he's done a lot of graphics around the exterior of the car as well. Painted the interior to match. He's done a lot of good stuff. It's going to be very exciting to hear this car crank up and go.
Yeah, absolutely. Now, what you got in the back here? What's going on? What's going on in the back?
Again, in the back is all acoustic speakers. That's where the 1,200 watts and the amplifier is. It's hooked up to an extra battery under the hood as well.
Okay. Oh, gone. That's nice. Very, very nice. Now, you got to meet this guy over here, right here. This dude's from New York. He's from New York. And what do you do? What is your title?
You want to know something, Mark? Half the time I don't know what I'm doing.
Same with me.
But they call me a general manager, and I can't tell you how pleased I am to be here.
Oh, well, you look very nice. You look nice. Now, what's going on out at the Kia?
Hey, this car, Mark, is absolutely my personal ride. It's my demo.
Yeah?
It's got your GPS. It's got your Infinity system. It's got your Mach spinner wheels. It just don't get much better than this ride. And I'm going to tell you, the nicest thing is it's for sale at Kia of Monroe.
Really? All right. So what are some of the events that are going to be taking at Kia Monroe?
Mark, we're going to start...
Other than Cabe being there.
Yeah, we're going to start off tonight with Cabe at Kia of Monroe, right across from Lowe's on Roosevelt Boulevard. Cabe site's going to be signing autographs, pictures of Cabe. He's going to be having a DJ coming from California, and all the free you can have. Saturday, he's over at Kia of Gastonia.
Yeah?
He's over at Kia of Gastonia from 10 a.m. till 9 p.m., non-stop, signing autographs. He's going to give a little advice on how to personalize the cars. And, man, I'm going to tell you, it's going to be an absolute ball.
It's going to be huge. Go out to Kia Monroe and get to see Cabe Sipes from Pimp My Ride. It's going to be bigger than big. Some great cars. It's going to be a great time. You guys go out to Kia Monroe. What times again?
Kia Monroe from 7 p.m. till 9 p.m. And don't forget, Kia Gastonia all day, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. It don't get no better, Mark.
Do me one favor before we go. Just
go ahead.
Say forget about it.
Forget about it, Mark. Just absolutely forget about it.
Forget about it. Let's go back to Anna.
Thanks a lot, Mark. You know what, Mark, when I was talking to him on the phone, setting that interview up a couple of days ago, he's saying, and I got to tell you, I operate a lot better in the evenings than the mornings. This is the earliest I've ever been up in years. Anyway, we got to check in with our Jack Grable. He's got to look at the stories that will be making news today.